Hey guys, this is Nathan, and this is App Deployment 1, Week 3. So this is a Milestone 2 update. So this week, all that it's asking for is for us to keep you updated. So I'll show you my Milestone 2 real quick, and this is my document for Milestone 2, and for my app comp runner. So the things I wanted to do this week were I wanted to create a chat client for registered users along with a chat client for guest users. Wanted to create the map system. I wanted to set up the personal schedule services. I wanted to switch to storyboards from XIBs. And I wanted to switch the back end from parse to stack mob. And roughly I managed to do all of these. And I'll explain that whenever I'm showing the app. I did have some problems with getting the table views for some of the stuff to work correctly, and that's because of I hit a very vicious caching issue problem where for whatever reason it wanted a certain input to be there that was not there. So I had to change how it was all set up temporarily for that. I did kind of change this around from what it originally was. Originally, I wanted to also refine the system for entering band info on a website and create a photo sharing service. The band info thing just ended up not happening because I didn't make a website. And the photo sharing service, I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to incorporate. I was switching my entire back end and rebuilding my app from the ground up, so I don't want to tackle something like that this week. I did add in switch to storyboards and switch to stack mob though in those two places. So now to actually show you my app, here's my app, the simulator, and I'll go in as a member, and you can kind of see this down here. You should be able to see whenever it makes a user and whatnot. So I'll make a new user right now. We'll just call it test 8. I believe I haven't done that number yet. And test for the password. So if I click sign up, you create a new user object. Kind of cool. If I delete the password, log in, it will go in because I don't have that all linked up, but you'll see it gives you an error right there. So what I can do is I do test 8 now and test, log in, then see. It's like, yay, you can log in. So this is just kind of a placeholder page right now. Here's the schedules, band schedule, tests. Exciting. I need to figure out a better way to set this up. Right now, the way the API I'm using kind of makes it weird, so I need to figure out how to tweak that. And my schedule is going to be pretty much the same thing. So I'll get out of that. That is one glitch that I encountered that I forgot about. It's not perfect yet, guys. It's not perfect yet. So go back in a member. I'll just skip that because it's not really needed yet. Here's the map. Don't have any pins on it yet, but that's because I actually need to figure out the correct coordinates somewhere in this area. I think. Somewhere. Oh well, doesn't really matter right now. You get the point. So that's the map. And then the chat. This is not fully working yet. The refresh button does nothing. But I can type in like test 10. No, we'll do 13 just to make sure. I don't think. Okay, it goes up to 8. So I'll do a test 9. And post. And should post that, but it's not going to show up yet. So I'm going to stop this, run it, see if it actually did. If not, then I'll just do it again. Okay, and it's there. So hooray. And you have that in the attendee area too. this works. Did I skip it? And you have the chat is broken on the guest side, I think. But for the most part, I got everything in. What's there I gave here? Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's mostly complete, so that's always a good thing, right? Anyways, that was my milestone 2, and I hope your guys' went well, and your week went well, and good luck on the final week. Thank you for watching my video.